Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we are making pizza pockets. It's Ramzan special. We will add some oil in there, and now we'll add a garlic. Now we'll mix it, fry it with the oil because it smells so good. I love garlic. We separate it, and now we will add our chicken. Now we'll mix it with the garlic so the garlic and the chicken's taste is amazing. Now we'll add tikka masala in there, our vegetables. Now I'll mix it, our chicken and our masala, our garlic and our vegetables will make a beautiful and a yummy delicious taste. We mixed it. Now we'll add some ketchup in there. So now we have flattened our bread with a rolling pin. We have rolled our bread. You can add butter, ketchup or mayonnaise, anything you want. And now we'll add our butter in there, our yummy old batter, vegetable chicken batter. And now we will put some ketchup in there because ketchup makes the flavor go rocket high. And now we'll put another bread piece. And now we have made more bread like that. Pizza pockets. You must be wondering how it is pizza pockets. Let me tell you. We'll put some butter in there on our hot heat pan. As you can see, it's smoking. I graced it with some butter. And now put our bread there. And now we're just gonna graze them from the down just to make them more crispy. And now we're gonna put a cheese slice because cheese equals as a pizza. Because in pizza you add cheese, so yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot of cheese. And now we'll put some chili flakes. If you want, you can put anything like something else if you don't like chili flakes. Now we'll put a lid. We'll wait for some while. And the cheese will melt and it will be delicious. It will melt in my mouth. And now we'll put the lid off. And now it is ready. As you guys can see, if you guys like this video, subscribe, hit that notification video, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz!